Now, just hours before the Supreme Court ruling on the 2018 St. James SOE detention, Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared a state of public emergency for St. Catherine amidst an increase in crime and violence there. The announcement was made during a press briefing at Jamaica House this morning. As Kalisha Williams reports, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson says 12 gang conflicts have been causing mayhem in that parish.
The announcement by Prime Minister Andrew Holness Friday morning.
After careful consideration and review of the current crime situation, His Excellency, the Governor General, has declared a state of public emergency for the parish of St. Catherine.
Since then, social media has been left in a frenzy, with many people asking why the entire parish is under a state of emergency. In fact, some people believed Portmore should have been left out. But Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson actually provided an explanation at Friday's press briefing.
6 weeks ago, the St. Catherine South Division was experiencing a reduction in murders by 40%. The recent conflicts in the St. Catherine North Division have extended themselves into the southern section of the parish, to include Portmore and Old Harbour.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang was more specific.
There was a quadruple shooting on the 5th of June and after that there were intermittent shooting and individual murders. Another day of 5 murders took place on the 14th of Tuesday the 14th. There are reports of increasing extortion and threats to law-abiding citizens, indicating a level of intolerable violence within the community of St. Catherine, in particular urban St. Catherine.
Journalists were also told that the increase in crime in the parish has been linked to 12 active gang conflicts. Major General Anderson said despite several interventions, murders continue to spiral, which is why the state of emergency had to be implemented.
Since the beginning of 2022 in St. Catherine, we have arrested 82 persons for illegal possession of firearm, ammunition, or both, and seized 59 illegal guns, an increase of 28% compared to last year.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.